Hello everyone, in today's video we'll look at the new Uniview MRP module developed to manage manufacturing process in Odoo more quickly and efficiently. This module significantly simplifies the workflow and reduces the number of unnecessary clicks compared to the standard manufacturing module. Upon entering the module, you are greeted by a user-friendly dashboard showing all exciting manufacturing orders. On the left, there is a filter panel that allows you to easily sort orders by their status: draft, confirmed, in progress, or done. The Uniview module features a tree-view structure. Here you can view all products and their associated orders in one place. For example, by opening the Assembly 1 process, which is Work Center, we can check the individual status of each product, such as the stall. This is table. The most convenient aspect is that we can edit orders directly through this screen without needing to open separate windows. As shown in the video, it's very easy to add raw materials components such as a bolt or storage box or change their quantities. It's really easy. The system automatically calculates the material balance. Once the information is entered, we confirm the order using the confirm button at the top side of the screen. The system then immediately prepares the order for plan or start operations. We don't have to open any additional windows. Everything is handled with a single click. Once the manufacturing process is complete, we click the Produce All button. You can also monitor the status of other orders with the left panel. As you can see, the Uniview MRP module allows you to save time and maximize the optimization of your manufacturing process. The lesson is over. Have a good day.